Karen Love from English Tutor Hub, and welcome to another translation video where I want to teach you the Tagalog translation of the word envy. So if you want to know what is envy in Tagalog, then keep on watching. And before we start, if you want more English to Tagalog and Tagalog to English translations, visit EnglishTutorHub.com and proudpinoy.ph. For sure, it will help you a lot. What is the meaning of envy? So when we say envy, it means it is a feeling of wanting to have what someone else has. Additionally, according to Merriam-Webster.com, a painful awareness of another's possessions or advantages and a desire to have them too. So here are some synonyms of the word envy. So we have covetousness, enviousness, green-eyed monster, envidiousness, jealousy, and resentment.
Bago tayo magpatuloy, huwag kalimutang i-like, share, at mag-subscribe sa ating channel. At kung gusto nyo pa ng maraming English to Tagalog translation and Tagalog to English translation, visit EnglishTutorHub.com and proudpinoy.ph.
Okay, now let us discuss what is envy in Tagalog. So the word envy can be directly translated as inggit. Ang inggit ay ang pakiramdam ng pagnanais na magkaroon na mayroon ang iba. Dagdag pa rito, ang inggit ay isang masakit na kamalayan sa mga pag-aari o pakinabang ng iba at isang pagnanais na magkaroon din ng mga ito. Pag-usapan naman natin ngayon ang mga kasing kahulugan ng inggit. Selos, sama ng loob, pagkainggit, nagnanasa, kasakiman at naiinggit. In this example, I will use the word envy and of course, I will translate it into Tagalog. Okay? You don't have to envy others' success in life. In Tagalog, hindi mo kailangang mainggit sa tagumpay ng iba sa buhay. So this time, you know already what is envy in Tagalog, and there are a couple of words in the Filipino language that could translate into envy. And there are a couple of words in the Filipino language that could translate into envy. However, the use of these words depends on the context of the sentence. Therefore, be mindful of what you write and what you say.
Huwag pong kalimutan mag-comment kung may natutunan kayo sa ating video at pwede rin po kayong magtanong kung sakali. At maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa ating channel. Maraming salamat po. God bless.